What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with our co-pilot Jax, and we are coming to you live from the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. It is Museum Monday here on the channel, and we have been quiet over the weekend because we're doing a little TCOB, taking care of business over here. Co-pilot knows what I'm talking about. Haven't been here for a week. It's gonna be really interesting to see what's going on with the sculpture, what's going on with the grounds work. And again, we know that there's a lot of work going on the inside, getting a lot of that artwork hung up. With the severe heat wave that we had earlier this week, we might see some slow progress. However, as it's starting to cool down here, I can't imagine that we're not gonna start to see some really, really large swaths starting to get wrapped up in a bow. On that note, it is chicken and apples time for the co-pilot. Oh yeah, buddy. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, give us a sub if you haven't already. Buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks, thumbs up the video. All that goes a long ways in helping us stay on the road and bring y'all this late quality summertime content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.